Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. Josh Simonson here. We have a 2021 GS24 that we just took into stock. Beautiful looking boat. We did the white accent with the Admiral Blue metal flake. So that is a nice metal flake. Really pops out in the sun. Good looking boat. We come back to the back. The GS24 has the nice seats in the back. We got a nice swim platform. Obviously surf pipe. The nice NSS system, and then the NCRS right there. Let's go on to the interior and take a look. So as we get to the interior, you can kind of see it has the same look as the outside. We got the white, you've got Admiral Blue, and then we did add a little bit of gray in there. This is kind of a new textured feature that they added, so that looks really nice. You got the nice walkthrough with all the sea deck. You know, a lot of people going in and out of the boat. You don't have to step on the cushions. Really nice. We've got storage underneath here. I've got a trash can in here, place for another cooler, place for another cooler under there. You've got seating that goes all the way around. This backrest comes up, can fold down, storage underneath there as well. We did opt for the bigger speakers. These are the 8.8 drivers, and also this has the downlighting in them. You can see the tower is also included. We got the 12.4 inch link pan array. Everything in the system right here, easy to use. Everything's right at your fingertips as well. And then on the GS24, it has a nice big bow. This boat can hold as many people as you want to bring out to the lake. Excellent surfing. This is a great boat sitting here in our Rogers location, ready to demo before it gets too cold. But come on down to MarineMax and take a visit. As always, click the like button and click to subscribe.